So, ayun!
Boxing TV.
Alright mga kaboxing, panoorin po natin James Pagaling versus Raymart Gaballo. James Pagaling wearing blue, black and gold trunks. Gaballo wearing silver and black trunks na nasa red corner. Si James Pagaling po na nasa blue corner ay may record na 8 wins, 3 talo at 5 panalo bayan knockout. At dito naman po kay Raymart Gaballo na may record na 27 wins, 2 talo at 23 wins by way of knockout.
So, ayan na. Ayan na, the hook straight is coming fast and James Pagaling slightly evaded that punch na medyo na-block niya po. So both fighters is on the orthodox stance. So ibig sabihin lahat to sila. Ayun! Nagka-mintisan po ng right hook ang dalawang fighters. Ay no, left hook po. Ayan na. Oh, see that hook straight masyadong mabilis. Okay. Tingnan natin, no? I-comment naman natin yung mga sinusuot nila. So both of them is wearing a Nike Makumay boxing shoes. So blue trunks and blue shoes for James Pagaling and black and silver for Raymart Gaballo. Okay? Okay, so both fighters is walang kukumpiyansa. So pumasok po yung 1-2 ni Raymart Gaballo followed up by a liver shot. Isang left hook to the liver. So as you can see, no, iba talaga ang speed nitong and power nitong Raymart Gaballo. Okay, so we are looking for James Pagaling na can unload also his skills and his ferocity on this fight. Okay, shot out. After the rounds, we will see. Uy, ayun. So, nagpatama na magandang left hook counter itong si James Pagaling. Ninda lang ito
10
ni
seconds.
Raymart.
10 seconds.
So, 10 seconds. Okay, so actually,
End of the first
we
round.
have to...
This is the second round.
Okay. So start na po ng ating second round. Okay, so ayun, medyo may taking-king po sa mga tuhod ni James Pagaling. So if someone is watching from the crowd, uy, ayun, nagsalubungan po ng suntok itong dalawang fighters. Ayun! As you can see, natamaan po ng left hook itong si James Pagaling. Sakam na sakam po sa kanyang mukha, but he manages to stand up. And napakawala po ng dalawang body punch itong si Raymart Gaballo. I think we are seeing nearing taking-king event na naman po. Pa-bounce lang po si Raymart Gaballo as if he's stalking his prey like a wild lion. Okay, so ganito po ang mga fighters na natin, no? Tansyado na po yung mga punches nila, no? Kasi hindi na pwedeng makumpiyansahan yung mga fighter kasi nga ang mga fighters po ngayon ay magagaling na po din ng mga counter. So good for James Pagaling for recovering from that punch, no? Actually, ang lakas-lakas nun. So ayun! A delayed reaction A body shot on the liver. Straight on the liver.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Ayun nga. Uy, but no. James Pagaling. Weather the storm. Ang lakas po ng tao nito. Napakatapang. But that tapang will cost him major setbacks, mga kaibigan. So we saw a first king on the second round of this fight. Oh. No, so nanginginig sa sakit kanina si James Pagaling, but he manages to stand up and push his way through, no, for this fight. Ayun. So, that's a thundering body shot. So, sunod-sunod na body shot, left and right po ng body. So, last
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Papaabutin pa ata ito ni Raymart for the third round. Okay, so
End of the second
very good
round.
fight. So, to Raymart Gabalyo. Yan po ang nickname ni Raymart Gabalyo. Goling.
Start of round number 3. Gabalyo wearing the black with silver. James Pagaling wearing the blue with black trim trunks.
So, ayan na. Nagtatansyahan mga kaibigan. So, try na naman. So, narinig ko na. So, try na naman yung lower voice na naman. Uy! Oops! Si Du. So, James Pagaling have medyo pinatamaan niya po si Raymart Gabalyo ng 1-2. Oops. Ginagaya ni James Pagaling ang hook stake ni Raymart Gabalyo, pero it's a mile away difference po ng quality ng kanilang hook stake. So, Raymart Gabalyo is bobbin weaving. So, ayan na. So, medyo low blow,
Neutral
mga
corner.
kaibigan. So, we have time to recover by James Pagaling. So, ayun, klarong-klaro po na low blow James Pagaling. Pero, di naman yan full force po matatamaan sa private part itong si James Pagaling kasi nga meron naman itong protective cap. No? So, we hope na James Pagaling is magaling na.
Okay, time resume, boxing resume.
Uy, ayun. Wala. Ayun. As you can see, palitan lang suntok. James Pagaling is not to be wag talagang kumpiyansa nito na fighter kasi nagpapatama siya ng malalakas na suntok every now and then. No? And nako-caught off guard din itong si Raymart Gabalyo sa mga patama ni James Pagaling. Ayun na, ayun, medyo nag-buckle down po ang tuhod ni James Pagaling dahil from that combination of a 1-2. Ayun! That is an uppercut. No, it's a shoot to the body, a right hand to the body po sa solar plexus ni James Pagaling. So,
Ladies and gentlemen,
okay, shout out na naman.
official time 2 minutes 50 seconds in the third round. We have a winner by knockout victory. Ladies and gentlemen, Raymart, the Assassin Gabalio.